Glass Effect Figma. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and type in Figma.com. Once the homepage loads, click Get Started for free at the top right of the screen. Enter your email address, then click the Continue with Email button. After logging in, click the Design tab at the top of the screen to open the workspace. In the workspace, make a shape by clicking the Shape tools. For this example, use the Circle Shape tool to draw a circle. Next, select the Frame tool and create a rectangle frame. Now, go to the right side of the screen and find the Effect section. In the Effects menu, choose the Glass Effect. Once the Glass Effect is applied, click the glass logo to open its settings. In the Settings panel, adjust the light source to control the light direction. Then, set the refraction value to manage how light bends. Adjust the depth to adjust the thickness of the glass effect. Next, set the dispersion to control color separation. Finally, adjust the frost setting to define the density of the glass blur.